Hello, welcome back to my channel. Wow, we're still working on this clue 3. I had some trouble with it. I had to count back quite a few times, but I'm getting there. The second one was the second wing, as I call them, was not so difficult anymore. I got the hang of it. And it's lovely. It looks like it's blending together. I love that. You can see me doing it from my perspective. And I must warn you, I don't have a lot to show you from the last clue, because my goodness, that's a lot of stitches. But I'm getting there. For now, I'm still working on the clue 3 part. This is actually the second wing. Section 12 is, I think it is. And I'm going on and going on, and then I felt something weird. Halloween is approaching and I felt like someone was watching me, and she was. And here's the finished clue 12. 11's already done. I'm only showing this one because I chose to continue to use clue 1 as it was. And here, my lovely, I think it's called a Japanese cherry. Love it. And I made another Christmas village. This one the cat hasn't destroyed yet, so I'm having a good feeling about this one. I'm not sure that I showed this before, but she was lying with me when I was having a bit of a lazy day, shall we call it like that. Alright, we're at clue number 4. My oh my, 491 stitches. That's quite a lot, isn't it? Look at it. It's punched up all together. It's a bit of hassle. Have a creative week and I'll see you next time. Bye!